Hi guys, in this video we will discuss the if statement in C sharp. So let's get started. An if statement tests a particular condition. If the condition evaluates to true, a course of action is followed, that is a statement or a block of statements is executed. Otherwise, if the condition evaluates to false, the course of action is ignored. So this is how the flowchart would look like. We evaluate the condition. If the condition is true, the statement or set of statements are executed. If the condition is false, then those set of statements are ignored and the execution continues. So here is the syntax of the if statement. We write the keyword if, and in parentheses we specify the Boolean condition, and then the statement or the block of statements are written in the following line. If it's multiple statements, then we enclose them in curly bracket. Let's write a program to compute the net price of an item. We will read the sale price from the console and apply the following computations. So if the sale price which we read from the console is above 100, you can assume any units, dollar, pound, rupees or rubles. So if the sale price is above 100, then apply a discount of 10%. We apply a sales tax of 5% on all sales. So let us start writing this program. So I've already created a console application and named the program as if statement. So first of all, we need to specify a double variable called sales tax, and that is 5%. So we define it as 5. Then we define another double type variable called net price to store the net price, and then we use console.write to enter a message on the screen stating enter sales price, and we call the console.readline method to read the values from the console, and then there is another method we call is convert to double that will convert the value read from the console to a double value and assign it to sale price. Now we need to check if the sale price is greater than 100. So we write a condition like if in parentheses sale price greater than 100, then what we do is we compute the sale price, which is sale price minus applying the 10% discount. So this is sale price into 10 divided by 100. So it will automatically compute the discount price, and we subtract that discount price from the sale price and we get the new sale price. And then we compute the net price as sale price plus, because we need to apply sales tax of 5%, so we compute the tax amount, which is sale price into sales tax divided by 100. So it will apply 5% sales tax and add it to the sale price, which gives us the net price. And finally, we can display the net price on the console, and we just put a console.read key statement so that it waits for the user to press any key before it closes the console window. So let us quickly run the program now. So the program is running now. As per our statement, it is now asking us to enter the sales price and waiting on the same line because we have used write statement instead of write line. So if I enter price as 125 and press enter, so it has calculated the net price because the sales price is greater than 100. So it has applied a 10% discount. Before I finish this video on the if statement, I wanted to show you if we can use the ternary operator in this program, and the answer is yes, we can do that. But first of all, we need to save this sale price because we are changing its value later on. So I will write another statement, double sale price save equal to sale price. So I'm just going to save this value. So after that I can change this value. That's fine. My original value will be saved in this variable. And then if I put a comment here saying using ternary operator, here I can compute the sale price as, so obviously previously we used sale price variable here, so we are using sale price save variable this time. So sale price save is equal to, so this is our condition, sale price save is greater than 100. If it is yes, then we apply a 10% discount as we did here, and otherwise we are returning the same value. And then again we need to calculate the net price, and if I just name it as net price 1 and name it as net price 2, it will display the output using the ternary operator. So let us run this program and see if it gives us the same result. So it's asking us to enter the sale price again. So if I enter say 125 this time, both prices are same, so we are using the right formula. Let us try with a value which is 100. So in this case it has computed the correct price as 105 because there is no discount applied. If we add the 5% tax, so that should be 105. So this is how the if statement works. In the next video we will go through the if else statement. If you haven't done already, please do subscribe, share and like the video. Thank you.